Welcome back to Perfect Pressure LLC. Today we're going to show you how we're going to transform these pavers to looking like brand new pavers. We went ahead and cleaned these pavers, also put a protective seal on the top. We're a licensed business here in Henderson, Nevada. So go ahead and give us a call at 702-544-5253 and we'll go ahead and clean your pavers. We didn't only clean the pavers at this house. We went ahead and did a house wash, paver cleaning, and paver seal, along with the back pool deck cleaning. This house right here pretty much got the whole package, almost looking like brand new paint, brand new pavers, and a brand new pool. And if you notice here, we're soft washing the house. We're not hitting it with any type of pressure to damage any stucco. This is a soft wash system. It takes all the dirt off of it, almost restoring it to brand new paint. And if you go ahead and look at the pavers when they're wet like that, that's the look that we go for when we go ahead and we seal our pavers. It's the wet look. That's how we like to keep our pavers looking when we're done with them. When we seal them, they look wet like that. And they stay looking wet like that. This is after we went ahead and sealed it. The white spot at the top means it's not fully dry yet. The seal is still drying. And if you can look on this side over here, we went ahead and sealed all of this. This is drying just as it should. This over here, it's almost fully dry. The left side is still, but the right side is still drying. As you can see, there's still white on it. But that's how we like to look when we're done. Thanks again for watching. If you want to get your pavers sealed and your house washed or your driveway pressure washed, call Perfect Pressure LLC at 702-544-5253.